Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Solana, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at the markets going into Tuesday morning, a lot of green across the board, and I'm sure you guys are excited about that. But if you did watch some of my other updates, I did say let's not get super excited right now just yet, due to the fact that the price of Bitcoin is still not where I personally would like to see, and not just basically where I would like to see the price of Bitcoin. What we need to realize right now is that we have seen these price targets retesting over the course of the last few days, but we saw a rejection. So let's not get super excited, but we'll definitely take a green day. That is always a nice thing to see. So as far as Solana is concerned, it's up 3%. We'll take that. Price currently sitting at $147.18, down about 0.6% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap at 68.7 million and the 24-hour trading volume at almost about $3 billion. So obviously that number went up quite a bit and shouldn't really be a surprise to any one of us because of the fact that we have seen the market pick up traction. But anyhow, let's continue to take a closer look at Solana. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for you guys. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off with the DeFi. Total value locked approaching $5 billion. And it's like we never left, You're seeing $5 billion and a lot of money is actually coming onto the Solana blockchain. But, we're really going to mention Tron right now, because Tron has been picking up traction a lot. Something similar as to what we saw happen with Solana. And what makes us say that, Tron or any other competitor can't do what Solana did, right? At the end of the day, it's, possible. And what the Tron founder, Justin Sun, is doing is he's shilling, their equivalent to Pump.Fun on Sol. And now what you're starting to see happen, if you've been noticing, if you take part of the crypto space and obviously, look at the crypto space on a regular basis, you're seeing meme coin season really taking place on the Tron blockchain. And what does that do to Tron? If you think about it, Tron's value is going to go up due to the fact that you need to actually have Tron to buy these meme coins. And that's what you're seeing happening right now. That does not mean I'm not promoting anything. I'm not promoting you to go buy these meme coins, but I'm just telling you that, this is a reality and this is what's happening right now as we speak. But I'm very interested to know from the Solana holders what you guys personally think regarding this about Tron. Do you think this is bullish for Tron? And do you see that other chains will have some similar, time like this? Do let me know in the comments down below. So, let's take a look at what's happening with Solana. So you can see former White House Secretary Scaramucci believes a Sol ETF could be approved in Q1 2025 if Donald Trump wins the U.S. election. And again, this is based off of his personal opinion, not ours. And that's the reality. And you're speaking about ETFs, that's a conversation that's starting to take place. More and more and more and more new assets are being talked about as potential ETF candidates. So continuing to take a look at this, Solana Chat Coin introduces live stream on Solana. And most importantly, over the past week, nearly 80 million has been bridged from other chains to Solana. This includes 65 million from its biggest competitor, ethereum. Nice. Continue. So you can see Pump.Fun surpasses Solana in monthly revenue. So Pump.Fun, guys, generated $27 million in monthly revenue, which is massive. And Solana, on the other hand, at 20 million. So you could see these meme coins, people are very interested in this, and that's the state of the market, believe it or not. That is the state of the market right now. And the same thing is happening for Tron right now. So is Tron going to get to that level? And it's going to be a very few interesting months ahead of us. Do let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding that. But yeah, let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So you can see Solana surpasses Ethereum and 24-hour decentralized exchange volume. Again, it shouldn't really be a surprise because Solana is right now more hyped than Ethereum. But speaking about Ethereum, one credit that I do want to give you guys, I want to mention, where credit belongs, we have to talk about it. Ethereum, in terms of big institutional interest over the course of the last, I would say, 2.5 weeks, a record high numbers in terms of inflows coming towards Ethereum ETF, and that shows you that these guys are interested and want to pick up Ethereum at a cheaper price. So is that a catalyst that we're about to see wave 2 really begin? Let me know your thoughts down below regarding that. And Jupiter Exchange becomes the 4th largest DeFi protocol by total value locked on Solana. And obviously some people are going to come out and say, why is it not number one already? Because Jito, Camino, and Marinade, these three protocols are obviously tossing points to people that are staking and farming. Now you could come out and say, well, you could do the same thing with Jupiter, which is totally right, but if you do it with these other protocols, you can actually stake Jupiter coins on there as well. So there is more points being generated on there. Hence, you are seeing, more value locked on there right now, because of course people want to get their hands on, these potential airdrops. But let me know your personal thoughts down below regarding this. This does show us a lot. This shows us that, Solana blockchain is not stopping. It's not stopping. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with the price, guys. So, with the price right now, dominance is picking up traction. I'm sure if you watched some of my other updates, you know about that. As soon as the price of Bitcoin went up, you saw the, Bitcoin dominance going up with it. Speaking about Bitcoin, let's give it a refresh live to see if it's back above 61. And no, not yet. $60,900. But most importantly, it's still back above key resistance. But what I want you guys to know is that, we have retested this level quite a bit. Like I said earlier, look at this. August 7th and, 9, 10, 11. You've seen multiple different retests, but obviously, we made our way back down. So that's why I'm not buying this. Obviously, if it's able to get back above the 64K mark, I would feel more comfortable, because that is a confirmation level, a key resistance. If the price is able to reclaim back above that, I could potentially even start talking about all-time highs again. But as of now, that's not the case, so we will not talk about that, but we will say that the price of Bitcoin as of now is looking amazing, the fact that it's back above 60K. So let's take a look at what's happening with Sol. So you might think Solana interest is lacking. But what if I told you no? You're looking at Solana actually performing really good from, just a few days back at $136 price point. You did see Solana go up 10%. A little bit of a lag could occur due to the fact that you are seeing dominance going up with Bitcoin, but you need to see the price reclaiming back above the $150 price point, which I spoke to you guys about before. It's really important. If that is able to turn into support, I do expect that, we could start seeing Sol start heading towards the $158 and get back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level quite fast. People might think that, Solana, in terms of, a chain itself, is slowing down, and, competitors like Tron could actually come and take some of its volume, which could be true. There could be some people that might shift, because obviously as to what they saw with Solana, the other Tron platform could be like, oh, this could be an early beginning for Tron ecosystem to take off, mainly meme coins. But Solana is much bigger than meme coins. If you've been focusing over the course of the last 1 year, a lot happened, and me personally speaking, I don't think Tron can take over Solana in a grand scheme of things. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think regarding this. I would love to know your personal thoughts, as I've shared my personal thoughts with you guys. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.